Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope that you're all having a great day so far. It's been quite a long minute since I've seen you last. Last time we were together, it was the summertime. It is now winter and freezing cold outside. Super's in the garage. She's put away for the winter. As you know, we're starting the build on her soon. And now I have this beautiful car to drive for the rest of the winter. So I figured, I've been trying to think of some content of what I can film for you guys. And I've had a lot of people ask me what I think about the exhaust on my Subaru, what I like about it. Is it raspy? Is it loud? You know, all those kind of questions everyone asks. So I figured I'd take a little bit of time today and do a review on that. I've got some running around to do, so I'll figure I'll bring you guys with me at the same time. So with that being said, I've got to get some mail from upstairs. Have to get my dog off my bed. Come on, Sleepy. Let's go. Yeah, you don't want to get down, I know. Okay, she is off. Dropping me all over. Just have to put her jacket on, get her ready for outside. Typical pit bull. She loves being covered up. And she loves laying on the furnace. Anything to be warm. Okay, are you better? You're covered up. Okay, so we are almost ready to go. I honestly feel that leaving my house takes forever because there's always so many things I have to get organized. So it is winter. I can't go outside without a jacket on, but my jacket is in the car. So I figure I might as well at least put a scarf on, so I'm not totally freezing outside. Okay, my favorite thing about winter, big cozy scarves. All right, let's go. So we are back and in the car and ready to go. And the very first order of business when I get in the car, full boost, engaged. Also, please note the 118,000 kilometers on a 2016 STI. I really don't think that I've ever stopped driving this car at all. I probably drive about 50,000 kilometers a year. So I have to say, I bought this car with 0 kilometers on it. I've had it for 2 years, just over 2 years now. I'm at 118,000 and it's awesome. I have no complaints about the car. It's done everything I've always wanted it to do. It's fast, it's fun, and I love it. So anyways, let's keep on driving. Also, hello to you. So we're just gonna go to the post office first. It's a little bit sunny. Do a little mail drop. we are back. I just had to get everything organized. So we are going to our P.O. box. I have to send, like I said, some shipments off. So let's go. No one's coming. Perfect. Where is she? Oh, sorry. There you go. There you go. Okay, so first I might as well check my P.O. box. Oh, my hands are so full. Actually, I'm gonna come back to that. My hands are too full. Let's get this stuff mailed. Morning. Bonjour. How are you? Okay, that was better. Now, let's check our P.O. box. Hi. Okay. No mail. I love getting mail. If any of you want to send me something, I'll put my P.O. box down in the description. I promise I'll unbox it on camera. Okay, one task done. Finally. To all of my C&D Boost team members, those are your stickers, those are your banners. They're all in the mail, so you should get them all soon. Station now. I just got here. I'm gonna go and put the Subaru. I'm gonna go and put the GoPro on the back of the STI, and hopefully, I've never done this before, so we'll see if it works. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that my idea does. Anyways, I'm gonna set it up on the outside, on the back of the window. Hope it doesn't fly off on the highway, and I'm gonna get onto the highway now and do a little bit of a pull and let you guys hear the exhaust note, because you're gonna love it as much as I already do. Well, that was really fun. I hope that it worked. Like I said, I've never put the GoPro on the outside of the car before. Well, I've been on the highway driving, so I'm really hoping that it picked up that exhaust sound for you. All this is done. I've got everything pretty much done that I needed to. We are just going to cruise home and do a little bit of fun stuff. So we've made it to my special spot. I absolutely love coming here. It's super quiet. There's usually nobody around, so this works out pretty well for right now. So I figure I'm gonna go outside, I'm gonna set the camera up, and we're gonna test out this exhaust a little bit more. Hopefully nobody comes. Okay, now let's get out of here before anybody comes. But that is seriously, oh my God, my absolute favorite sound. I think it's one of the main reasons why I bought this STI is because I absolutely love that rumble. Honestly, does anything make you smile a lot more than that? Besides maybe ripping it fast on a quarter mile, they're debatably awesome together, but seriously, that is amazing. So I'm going to get out of here before somebody comes, and we're going to do a little flyby. That is my 3-inch Nameless Performance muffler delete exhaust on my 2016 Subaru STI. I absolutely love this exhaust, like I said before. If you haven't been able to tell already, it's not super drony when I'm in the car, so I actually can hear myself think and carry on a conversation with somebody. It has just the right amount of loud, just that right amount of Subaru rumble, and honestly, I wouldn't ask for any other exhaust for this car. I think it is so perfect. So this is no sponsored ad. This is just me saying how amazing this Nameless exhaust is. And if you're looking for one for your Subaru, I highly recommend it. Hope you guys have a great day. See you back again soon with some more car shenanigans. Bye.